Hey guys, today I'm gonna show I make one HDTV antenna. Actually, some like this is deep fry. I don't know what's called, filter or something we use for deep fry pan. Take some fish fry or pakora, whatever, from deep fryer. So I just cut this one same from here. I just cut here. Then I put aluminum tape, one layer from outside, one layer from inside, same thing all the way. Then I put, this is magnetic wire, one of coil I make this one. This is soldering iron lead holder. Use glue gun to holding that one. Then another regular cable I put top of that magnetic wire. Then aluminum U-shaped pipe, two pieces, two side with glue. Then this connection connect with this U-shaped tube, and this magnetic wire, this is the one end, and another end is connect with this right here. Then I cut one of dollar stores TV cable, which one connect with RF TV modular place. Just use some glue stick with glue gun. It can receive 7 HD TV channel and very clear HD channel. Actually, if any person want to create anything, just need to own idea and proper tools. If you can build, if you want to build, you can build. So thank you for watching my video how can make local HDTV antenna. Today is March 12, 2017, Monday. Right now 7:05 p.m. Please check next video. Thank you for watching my video.